In a previous video, we have discussed two types of graph, break-even graph and contribution graph. And in this video, I would like to discuss profit volume graph. Profit volume graph is very simple. You have to draw the horizontal line and vertical line. So the horizontal represent your unit of sales and the vertical represent your profit. So you have to show in this graph the maximum losses incurred by the company. So in this case, the maximum loss indicate that if your sales is 0, so how much is your losses? So when we have no revenue, no sales, and even you will incur no variable cost. So when there is no variable cost, so you have to incur only the fixed cost. So that's why the maximum losses for the company is 6,000 ringgit, because 6,000 is their fixed cost. Okay, if I can indicate here, 6,000 is actually your fixed cost. Okay. And then you have to show in this graph the break-even point. The break-even point is where your profit is 0. So by selling, in this case, by selling 6,000 unit, the company incur no gain nor loss. Okay. So if they sales more than 6,000, they will incur profit. They will get a profit. Let's say the company sells 10,000 unit. 10,000 is already more than their break-even point. So the company will incur profit. But if their sale is less than 6,000, let's say the company only managed to sell 2,000 units, so which means that the company is get a loss. So they will get loss. Okay, because that 2,000 is less than break-even point. Okay, that's all about the graph of the graph in CVP. We have three types of graph. Break-even graph, contribution graph, and profit volume graph. Okay, next we're going to look at another concept in CVP, which is margin of safety. Margin of safety dalam bahasa Melayu adalah margin keselamatan. So the higher the margin of safety, the better for the company. It also indicates the risk of the company. So the lower the margin of safety, the higher the risk of the company. Okay. So how to compute the margin of safety? So this is the formula. Margin of safety is the difference between sales and break-even sales. So if let's say your break-even is 1,000 unit, but you manage to sell 5,000 units. So it indicates that the company is in a good position, the lower risk, because why? Because they have a margin of safety of 4,000 units. Okay. This 4,000 indicate what? It represents the amount of sales that can be declined before the loss incurred. Means that the company can reduce their sale by 4,000 units before they incur losses. Okay, because losses will incur after your sales is lower than 1,000 units. So now you have sales of 5,000, which is good. So 5,000 minus 1,000 is 4,000 margin of safety. So the higher the margin of safety, the better for the company. Alright.